Hi there, my name is Clifton and welcome to Concrete Projects, a home DIY and consulting channel. Laying tiles is not the most challenging DIY project, but it's easy to make a mistake. However, you want to make sure you are left with a nice tile haven and not with a tile headache. To avoid any mishaps, here are the 10 common tiling mistakes. Number 1. Miscalculations of the tiles you need. Not ordering enough tiles is just short of a nightmare. It will cost you more in time and labor to get the job done. Tiles vary from color and design from batch to batch. This means you may not get the exact match even if you buy the same tile at a later date. Or worse, it can be discontinued, leaving you high and dry forever. One of the main reasons for a shortfall of tiles is inaccurate measurements or not allowing extra tiles for breakages and cuts. To overcome this, take the measurement of your area and calculate how many squares you need. This is easy. Multiply the length by width. For example, if you're tiling a floor that's 4 by 5 meters, the sum would be 4 by 5 meters equals 20. This means you'll need 20 squares of tiles to cover the area, but you should always order 10% extra for cuts and breakages. So in total, 22 square meters. Number 2. Picking the wrong size tile. For example, many people choose small tiles for small areas, thinking it's easier to install. But small tiles means more grout lights, which will make a small room looks even smaller. Larger tiles will give you the illusion of a bigger space. If you're tiling a shower, a larger tile will make it more difficult to get the right waterfall, meaning you're left with excess water. So, use a smaller tile. Number 3. Picking price over quality. Buying a lower cost but inferior tile will save you money for now. However, it will need replacement much quicker than those of better quality. Remember the saying, buy cheap, buy twice. Number 4. Not planning the layout. Whether you're using the same colors or patterns, don't let bad planning be your downfall. Take the time to lay out your patterns before you apply adhesive and to make sure you're happy. Number 5. Unprepared surfaces. Like most things, good preparation is the key for a good job. This is easy. When tiling a floor, it should be clean and level. This means filling all cracks and dents or sanding down any bumps that are bigger than 4 to 5 mm. If the surface is very uneven, you can apply a new top surface such as skin plaster on plasterboard or walls or self-leveling screed on floors. In terms of cleaning, wipe any grease, oil or liquids and sweep up loose dust and debris. Number 6. Wrong adhesive. Using the wrong adhesive is a rookie mistake and it will impact the whole tiled area. So, how do you know which adhesive to use? Well, it depends on where you're tiling and the material you're using. You get a few types of adhesive, so here's a list for you. Waterproof adhesives. You will need waterproof adhesive for bathrooms, kitchens and outdoor spaces that gets exposed to rain. Flexible adhesives. If you're tiling on a backboard or any other surface that may experience a lot of movement over time, then you will need flexible adhesive that won't crack when movement occurs. Rapid set adhesive. Rapid set adhesive is specially designed if you're installing natural stone or large format tiles. With a quick set formula, it holds large stones and large tiles in place. Heat resistant adhesive. When it comes to fireplaces, you should use heat resistant adhesive. It is designed to withstand high temperatures. Ready mix adhesives can be convenient and time saving for a novice tiler. Number 7. Not using battens. No matter what you think, don't make the mistake of not using battens. It's very rare that walls and floor are level, so by using your eyes, not battens, it's gonna look terrible. Number 8. Dotting corners. This refers to applying adhesive in dots on the back side of the towel. Using this method will make your towel come loose. Don't take shortcuts. Instead, towel adhesive should be applied evenly on the back side of the towel with a notch trowel. Number 9. Grouting too quickly. By using grout, you are sealing the gap between the towels. Before starting the grout, allow enough time for the adhesive to dry. And take your time when grouting to create a nice smooth finish. Number 10. Not removing excess grout. Allow the grout at least 3 hours before cleaning it. After the grout film has dried, polish away the haze with a cotton or microfiber towel. There you go, a perfect woolen floor. Have an awesome day, and remember, keep it simple.